total alkalinity is the referee for the pool water. What's that mean? Well, that means that your alkalinity is kind of like the referee. Keeps anything from going too far fouling upwards, too far fouling downwards, keeps everything stable, keeps the game, the chlorine game, with everyone following the right rules. And here's the rules. Ideal. That's what you're always going for right here. Ideal. So let's look at this pH bounce, which is a consequence of having too little acid in your water. By the way, the alkalinity, see, is not a measurement of like how much acid is in the water or how much alkalinity. It's the state, the balance between the acidity of the water and how alkaline the water is. And ideal is like the water in your eyes, the same balance. And consequently, chlorine works perfectly in this environment because the pH, alkalinity is all about the pH, controlling, the tiger by the tail, the pH, keeping that pH from jumping way high up. Now look down here after you watch this video, but right here, it's a terrible graphic, but it's the best I can find. Basically, this is showing you what is happening again to your pH when your alkalinity is not set correctly. So this is from early morning, late afternoon, early morning. Do you see how the pH can go up here? Remember, when pH gets above 7.8, at 7.9, you're maybe using 2%, 2 cents out of $1's worth of chlorine. Frustrating. When it's too low, when it starts dropping down below 7.2, etc., then you're burning your chlorine up very quickly, and you're going to run out of, it's not going to stay in the pool. So anyways, the important thing here is just remembering how important this alkalinity is to keeping the pH in line. So that's why people stop looking at it. It hardly ever gets out of whack, but when it does, it's exponential. It's going to start trucking up, or it's going to start trucking down. And by the way, if you have a Porter cement pool, which is quartz, white plaster, pebble tech, you will constantly, or you should be constantly battling your pH rising, which means that there's not enough acid in the pool because that Porter cement is kind of like neutralizing it all the time. On the other hand, if you have an above ground, if you have a fiberglass or a painted pool, you will constantly be battling that water being too acidic because it's in plastic. Anyways, I hope this helps. Take a look at this information. Watch the video there where I'm explaining this alkalinity thing to my daughter. I hope that helps. It helped me just explaining it. And again, you can do all kinds of different research on this, but your alkalinity is key to keeping that pool pretty. Thanks a lot for watching.